Hey YouTube family, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am at a client's getting ready to put in tulips, and I would love to show you all the entire process, but unfortunately I'm just going to be able to show you the before and after. I may be able to show you a little of me drilling, but this is going to be, it's not a lot of bulbs, it's just 1,001. And I really want to go ahead and get this done so I can get some other jobs done. So I'm just letting you know that I am putting in bulbs, beautiful bulbs from ColorBlends. They are called Purdy, P-U-R-D-Y, and they are Purdy. I couldn't help myself. Anyway, this is how they come in these crates, and I will flash a picture of what they look like. I am getting ready to get started. I am removing the mums, the little mums that there are here. I'm keeping the grass right there, and everything else will be taken up. I'm going to be putting in about 50 bulbs in this area, 50 over here, 4 entrances with these little garden cutouts. So I'll have 50 bulbs in each. Here I go. I am using my DeWalt drill. This is a 20 volt max. This is a 20 volt battery. And this is my bit that goes in for my bulbs. So let me show you what I'm doing. So basically what I do is I drill in my holes, and I try to have a design in my head of what I want to see, how I want to see the tulips come up. So I've done 3, 6, 9, 12, and I use Osmocote. I usually would use Bulb Tone by Skoma, but I could not find it anywhere. So I am using the Osmocote because it is good for bulbs as well. So it comes with this little red cup, and put a needle in each hole. And I showed you my bulbs. The name of it is Purdy. I think it's so Purdy. I think it's such a cute name. But anyway, you don't have to take the paper off. Matter of fact, I don't know why I'm doing that anyway. But this is the top of the bulb where the point is, and this is the bottom. I just stick my bulb in. Deeper. Go a little deeper. And I covered it up. And that is how I plant bulbs with my auger. This makes it so much easier. So I'm going to continue on. thing I want to say about drilling with the drill that I have, any type of drill, and using a bulb bit, is it takes time with that. It's one thing to see somebody do it, but to actually use it yourself, it took me a while to even realize that there's a button that slides in between, and if you have it on one side, the drill bit releases up from the dirt, and if you have it pushed to the other side, it goes down into the dirt. I had always had it in the middle or on the right side when it needed to be pushed all the way to the left. It's very simple to do, but it takes practice, and I would definitely try doing it at home. I have finished this bed. It took quite a bit of bulbs. This is a longer bed, so I am done with this one, and done with this one, and I'm done with this one. And there are beds at the entrances that I've finished as well. Have some lunch, and when I come back, I will start on this bed as well. So it's a cute kidney bean shape, and it shouldn't take, I'm probably just going to put in 50 here. Like I said before, I have 1,001, and I think at this point I have left 1, 2, 3, 400. So that's pretty good. I've been working pretty hard, so 400 left, and that will do it. Oh, I also wanted to mention I have the Purdy tulips, and then in the center here where the boxwoods are, right now they have Christmas lights wrapped around them, which I do not like, but hey, this is my client, not my place. But they have it wrapped around their Japanese maple. But in the middle here, I have Alliums coming up. Let me show you the type. They are the Wild About mix, and I think they are really, really pretty. A mix of large round clusters of purple and white flowers. So the Purdy is yellow, red, and purple, and then these will be coming up later. They don't come up at the same time as the tulips. They come up a little later, but it'll be a nice little surprise along this. I have them in groups of 4. Same with the other beds. They're going to have the Alliums as well. So I think that'll be a pretty mix. I am done. It's been a long 2 days of planting at this property, and I am glad to say that it went well, and I'm glad it's done. The next time I will be here, it will be over 1,000 bulbs in bloom. So let me show you what I've accomplished. Okay, bulbs are planted in this bed, also in this one, along this strip, and in this middle bed. They are planted along this beautiful tree, and there are some around the mailbox here. There are bulbs planted here. And in this bed as well, around this area here. That is it for this top level. It was in the 70s today. You could not ask for a better day to put in bulbs. Usually you think November It's freezing. Oh my goodness. I am just so thankful that I had this beautiful day to do this. So I'm not gonna go all the way down to this section. Just gonna show you the area down at the bottom. That long strip of area has bulbs in it. And I'm so excited. I just can't, you know, it's like a kid at Christmas. Can't wait to see the flowers bloom. The next time I see it, you will be seeing it as well. So, thanks for watching. See you in the spring.